And can you believe all of this, all you can eat, for each person is only 276 baht. Hello folks, so welcome to today's video. I'm somewhere in between Ekamai and Prom, and I'm standing right in the midst of this beautiful garden that belongs to a cafe called Glig. And I'm going to be checking it out in today's video and showing you what this very contemporary, beautiful cafe looks like. Now it's located down a very quiet road when we don't have a tuk-tuk going by, that's a straight pipe. There's also parking here at the entrance, so if you want to come by car or motorbike you can park right there. And this is the main entrance. These grounds are so green and beautiful, it's really a breath of fresh air when walking around here. And you don't really get this in the midst of Bangkok, so this is kind of like a nice little getaway from the hustle and bustle of the city, and it's just very soothing to come out here. But anyway, I believe my coffee and croissant are now ready, so we're gonna go now inside the cafe. A huge door here. Okay, so the music is a little bit loud in the cafe, a bit too loud for my preference, but I want to show you what I ordered. I got an iced Americano on the ice, with a croissant here as well. There we are. And we also have a hot chocolate with some marshmallows inside it, which looks really quite interesting. Look at that. And on top of that, a little cinnamon bun as well. Alright folks, I've finished up with my pastry. Now I want to show you more of the grounds of this cafe, so follow me. It's kind of busy today, isn't it? We've got quite a few people in this cafe at Glig, and today is a Monday, and it's a beautiful day. Look at this. What a wonderful day it is to come to a cafe and have a coffee and a croissant. But yeah, the gardens here, as I showed you a little earlier in today's video, kind of warp around the cafe. So you can walk along this very beautiful path that passes these trees here, these wonderful bushes as well, and go right around to where we were sitting earlier and eating our croissant and drinking our coffee. Isn't this beautiful? It doesn't really feel like I'm in Bangkok. Now, I see the main logo of this cafe is kind of like this maple leaf. I'm not sure if it is supposed to be a maple leaf, but that's what it looks like. And then we're gonna pass under this arch here. It's pretty cool, but it's kind of loud because this is where all the ACs are, unfortunately. But nonetheless, it's still very beautiful. Oh, look at this, we've got a little swing here. How nice is that? I'm not gonna sit on it because I'm worried I might break it, but a nice little touch there. And then we've got some more outdoor furniture here too. There's some outdoor furniture at the entrance, but this one looks a little bit more interesting. I wonder if it's as loud though, if you stand, or if you sit here versus at the front of the cafe. Yeah, it's the air cons are a bit too loud, the compressors unfortunately, but they do have some fans here that can be activated via this switch. I wonder what this little house is here, you see it? Is it supposed to be like a bathroom? It's kind of like concealed because it's a mirror. You see that? It reflects the surroundings. It is a bathroom. That's cool, I like that. I like how they've kind of masked it with these mirror glass panels. How beautiful is this? Now, there is a second floor to this cafe, but I don't know what is up there. And it looks like it's pretty old. It's housed in what looks like a very old kind of like building due to the frame, the windows, etc. Okay. But let's go back inside. It's not too hot today, but it is warm and it is a little bit humid. Very, very beautiful, eh? I love it. I love it. All right, folks, I'm currently at the DJI store here in MCM Mall, and the reason why I've come here is, as you'll notice, I've got a little microphone attached to my shirt here, which I purchased recently. Oh, somebody's flying a drone here. Anyway, and I'm having a bit of problems with this brand new microphone that I spent about 12,500 Thai baht on, equivalent to about maybe 300 to 400 USD. Basically, this is the transmitter, as they say, and what's currently plugged into my camera is the receiver. And the receiver will pretty much cut out at any sort of random moment. I don't know why. The first day in which I received this or bought this microphone, it was working just fine. The next day I was having a lot of issues and a lot of troubles. Actually, earlier in the cafe, when I was trying to tour the cafe, it just kept cutting off. And on top of that, a little cinnamon bun as well. But when it cuts off, you can't turn it back on until you put it into this box here, which is really annoying. I wish they would stop flying that drone, because that's very, very loud. But I'm trying to prove or demonstrate the problem to the people in store, but it's not happening now, which is so weird. Okay folks, it's actually the next day I've come to DJI, and it's not been easy to replace the microphone. It's taken a lot of battling and a lot of perseverance to get a replacement. They're not willing to actually give you a brand new one unless they take it to the service center first, have it approved, and then the main office can give you approval for a replacement or a refund. And that can take pretty long. But the approval has finally been granted, and I'm just testing this new microphone out and checking whether the receiver, which is plugged into the device, is actually holding up. But the thing is, I would need to run this for at least 1 to 3 days just to check if the battery actually holds in the receiver or not. It really needs a thorough real-world test. Alright, I've got my eyes set on the Miss Universes, looking hella soy mark. They are mad tall. I can't believe how tall these females are. And they're not even wearing high heels, they're just wearing Air Forces. They are so beautiful in person, right? Isn't this Miss Thailand, I think, 2023 or 2022? Something like that. I'm waiting for my favourite though, Amanda Obudman. She's not here today. Oh man. One day I'll meet that girl. Well, that was some great news. We got to see a couple of Miss Universe Thailand and the famous kickboxer of Thailand. Yeah. Forgot his name. Is it Bukau? Something like that. Okay folks, we've now arrived at the Maharaja Pier, and you might have seen this place from a previous video a couple months ago, but it's one of the places that I really like to come to during sunset, as there's a number of little restaurants that you can eat from. There's even a Starbucks there, and you're right by the famous Chao Phraya River. It's a very beautiful place, and I'd highly recommend it if you're ever kind of in this area or in Bangkok. And look at this, I think right now we've got a perfect sunset right in front of us that we're about to witness. Now this is also a pier, like I mentioned, and you got the hop on hop off ferry that you can get for like 30 baht and go for a nice leisurely cruise down the Chao Phraya River. I've done this before, so if you want to know what that's like, make sure you check out the video that will be linked in the description or in the information tags. But we've got Starbucks coffee here. I might get myself an iced Americano and then get dinner at one of the number of restaurants in this area. Soy, mate. Soy, soy, soy. It's a pretty nice place to come out here, get a coffee and watch the boats go up and down the Chao Phraya River while taking in the sunset. There's a lot of restaurants along the Chao Phraya River, but you just need to know where they are positioned, because I see quite a few opposite the Maharaja Pier. Now, I did want to get on the boat, but it looks really busy. And I don't know if everybody's trying to time the sunset on the boat, but look, it is rammed. I've been on this boat before and I've never seen it so populated with people. Look at this. It's incoming right now. Look at that. But there is absolutely no point in getting on this. You wouldn't be able to see a thing from all the tourists standing up on it. Well folks, in a couple minutes time, we're actually gonna go have dinner at this wonderful buffet, which is starting from 279 baht per person, all you can eat at the Maharaja Pier. But we're just waiting for our number to be called out, and then we're gonna go dine on some delicious food. But look at the sky right now, it's so beautiful here, isn't it? And take a look at the view over the Chao Phraya River. Isn't this great, eh? We've got our little furnace with really hot coal and a little brass sort of metal plate. To get our meat, we're gonna have to actually go over there and pick them up and bring them back to our table. Wow, look at all this meat. Jesus, what are we gonna go with? So we've got some barbecue marinated pork, pork belly with pepper, black pepper marinated pork, sesame marinated pork belly, sesame marinated pork, soft marinated pork, more beef, some more fish there, and king prawns. Oh my god, we're gonna have some prawns for sure. Oh yes. This is what you want, guys. Okay, this is what we've ordered up here. We've got a bit of beef, lots of king prawns in this dish. We've got a combination of squid, tofu, and some pork there. Some more beef in that plate too, as well as a bit of butter here, some vegetables, more prawns over there, and 2 little Pepsis in these plastic cups. Oh yeah. And they're all just waiting to be placed on this boiling hot furnace. We're going to be dining on this with beautiful views over the Chao Phraya. Incredible, isn't it? There we are. Let it sizzle away. I'm going to get some beef and place it onto the hot plate here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, it's getting stuck though. Maybe this thing's too hot. I think we need more butter. Or I could just place it in the hot water like that. Let that sizzle away for a couple minutes before we dig into it. I am so hungry. And can you believe all of this, all you can eat, for each person is only 276 baht. If I was to convert that into USD, one USD is about 36 baht. How much is 276 to 250? I don't know, you do the math. My math fails me there. Cannot? Can? Cannot. How am I? Soup. You don't know. You don't know. I know. No, you don't. All right. Now, do we have any dipping sauces? Oh yes. Gonna dip that beef in there. Oh my god. That was my impression of Mark Wiens. By the way, do we need to cook this tofu or is it already cooked? We don't need to cook that. Oh, we need to cook. Okay, I'll pop it in there. No, we've run out of soup though. We do need a little bit more soup up in here. I think we also need some more butter. This is really good value for money. And especially where we're situated on the Chao Phraya River, I just... Okay folks, there we have it. We've finished up with dinner. Would really recommend coming here. The total bill did come out to, indeed, 552 Thai baht, which is around about 12 USD, which is incredible. But as always folks, if you enjoyed today's video or you found today's video somewhat informative, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching guys. Take care and bye for now.